What's up guys, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create the ads that print me 10k a day, which are literally just organic like monk videos, etc., which are sitting at a 75% profit margin, and they are performing crazy and going viral like crazy, and you don't have to film a single product, you don't have to show your own face, and you don't have to pay for ads. So let's get right into it. This is literally insane. So who am I? My name is Diego, and I have been in uni for a long time, and I had a job while in uni, so I could actually afford to try out ecom, and I was running paid ads, etc. And right now I'm sitting at like 6k days without actively making new videos, just letting my editors, my hires do everything. And back when I used to do a lot still, I had my 10k in like literally 13 hours, which is completely crazy. And here you can see I had my own 3PL in Germany, so I could actually sell here. And yeah, it's pretty insane. And just before, like 2 months ago, I was still in uni and I was only running paid ads, and I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I was losing money, like here with a negative ROAS. I was doing like fucking $1,000 a week in gross sales. Like, oh my god, it was such a bad time, but now we're finally here, so let's go. So to the people who are saying AI dropshipping does not work, or people won't buy if the video is AI, or AI is so unrealistic, you have no clue what you're talking about. Like, all of these objections are completely wrong. AI dropshipping has leveled the playing field so good, because you don't need any professional photo shoots. You don't need to know how to make like aesthetic videos. You just need to describe the shot you have in mind and have like basic prompting knowledge. So it has gotten so incredibly easy. People won't buy if the video looks AI is also completely wrong, because two factors into this. Number one, people normally don't even care that much if it is AI. And number two, AI is so unrealistic. It's just a lie nowadays. The video models have gotten so incredibly good, nobody nearly can tell. The days are already here where people cannot tell. Also, watch until the very end so you can actually get my private supplier and all the resources I have. And now, why is AI so incredibly great? There is literally no limit to the shot you can create. If you can think it, you can create it. And that is the greatest thing if you want to go viral. Because think about it, the visual hook potential is completely endless. So, viral visuals were never so incredibly easy to produce. And now let's get over to the old way of doing things, or without AI. You had very limited daily posts, you were limited in actually your settings or your background, etc., since you could probably only film in like your room or your park, otherwise you would have to hire someone. Then you were limited in your avatar, you maybe had yourself, your family, I don't know. You probably had quality problems because most people, including myself, don't really know how to take aesthetic and visually pleasing photos, videos, etc. It's a skill in itself, and that is hard to acquire. But now with AI, you can literally make 8.3 million views just having this monk sitting on the floor talking about his fucking ebook. So, bro, this has never been so easy. So basically, the skill set now is like just getting crazy good with AI and doing good prompts, which takes max, if you're literally dumb, 1 week to master. And then before, you basically had to get like recording skills, lighting, had to be your own director, etc. And that could easily take like 4 months. So now to the speed aspect of things. AI videos can literally be automated to like 99%. Nearly everything can be automated. You can automate your prompts, you can automate the references. Every single thing you do in your AI video can nearly be automated. All you need to do is look over it, just decide if you like it, and if you do, post it. That's it. You can literally run so many accounts. And then obviously before you had to record everything on your own and cut it properly, and this just takes hours. And also your scale. You can only scale if you can up the volume in organic dropshipping. In paid ads, for example, you were to just up the budget and of course also the creative volume, but mainly the budget. And here, the only lever you can always pull is gonna be your output, and you cannot film and cut and whatever more than 10 videos a day, no matter how crazy you are. But with AI organic, you can make literally like infinite videos depending on how much you automate it. So yeah, that's the crazy thing. And now we're gonna jump right into it. And also, just so you like know a bit more about it, for example, these people are making crazy money with AI dropshipping, and I mean, you can really tell it's AI. Like, they are just selling this steamer thing, 1 million views, 1.7 million views. Like, they are making such crazy amounts of money, and the people partly can even tell it's AI, but they just don't care because they are still convinced that the product will perform. And now back to our original example, which I actually will try to recreate with you guys today. It's this guy here, this monk sitting on the floor,
Hot water
is
every
talking.
morning on an empty stomach. Listen carefully.
And what he's selling is basically an ebook with all of his wisdom as a monk, etc. So this is actually really funny. So I mean, if people can literally sell this, bro, there's no way why you wouldn't be able to sell like a proper physical product with like higher perceived value. So, okay, let's get right into it. The very first thing we're gonna do, because we wanna like go ahead and clone this monk, we're gonna
On an
go
empty
to like a frame like this, where we can see his mouth, we can see his eyes are open, and then we're just gonna screenshot it. And we're gonna go here into polarisugc.com, where I'm just gonna log in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate, and I'm gonna go to the prompt generator. And then I'm just basically gonna input the picture I just took. And then when I press on generate prompt, the whole prompt to recreate this will generate. And yeah, it's really, really, really easy. Okay, so then this prompt is actually ready, and I'm just gonna copy it here. Go copy, and then I'm just gonna paste it into Claude. And then I'm just gonna say generate this with Polaris. So we're just gonna hit enter on this. And then you can see, by the way, just I'm gonna show you how you can connect this real quick. Go to Polaris in your account, go here, connect with Claude, copy this, go into Claude, press plus, go to your connectors, add connector, add custom connector, and then you're gonna paste the URL, name it Polaris, and that's it. Like, it's so easy. And then as you can see, it will already start like generating in here, and then I'm gonna be back in a second. So yeah, now it's basically generating directly in the chat, and you can see there's like no work attached to this shit. It's just copy paste, copy paste. Then you can see this is like the image we've got now. So now we're gonna go ahead and animate this image to say something, just so I can show you how incredibly easy it is. So we're gonna say, okay, now animate the monk uses Omni, and he should do some hand gestures, and he should say I am a monk, I am not real, and the camera should be static. 9 by 16, 1080p, and then we're just gonna say 4 seconds long. And then it will generate right directly inside of Claude again. So then you can see we have our monk directly within the chat, and I'm just gonna play this real quick.
I am a monk.
And you can see like this has gotten so incredibly easy, so good. And if you don't like anything, just tell it to Claude and it will regenerate, and you will not have the problem you had before. So everything has gotten so incredibly easy. And by the way, the biggest thing, if you are struggling with video quality, is your start frame. In 99% of cases, when people make AI videos that don't look good enough or don't look real or whatever, the start frame is the problem. So if you even don't like your start frame a tiny bit, it's always worth it to regenerate your start frame and really make that one perfect. So then the clip will in 99% of the cases also be perfect. The next step now is to actually go ahead and do the same with the product. So let's generate him with the product in hand so we can actually make a product showcase. So for this, I just went ahead and put the product picture into Claude, and now I'm going to say, okay, this is my product. Make another start frame with the same settings as before, and make the monk hold it. Yeah, and then I'm just going to say, be sure that text is clear and the image should be 4K. Yeah, and that's it. So as you can see, the image has now generated within the chat. So now we're gonna say animate this once again, same settings, and make him say, I don't know, what is he gonna say? He's gonna say, I've been drinking this for 10 years. That's it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and say camera static again, and also make him look down as if he's proud of the product. Every motion should feel calm and not rushed. And that's it. Now we're gonna hit enter again, and then we're just gonna see what we get. So as you can see, now we have the video, and we're just gonna look at it really quickly. So
I've been drinking this for 10 years.
I mean, you can see like the text makes sense, everything. It has gotten so easy. You just say the camera movement you want, you say how the persons should look, You just describe, do they hold it? Do they look at it? What do they do? And it does it perfectly every single time. And yeah, that's basically already it. There's nothing more I have to show you. But if you want any more help, or if you want, for example, a private supplier, etc., go down to the link below. I have a Telegram there, and you can hit me up if you have any questions with anything, or if you need a private supplier, etc.